In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your TikTok ads receipt in just about 5 minutes. Now, I know that sounds incredibly specific, but trust me, for anyone running ads on TikTok, keeping track of expenses, invoices, and especially receipts is crucial for your accounting and financial records. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, or just curious about your ad spend on one of the most popular social media platforms out there, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. If you're not sure how to get there, a simple search for TikTok ads in your preferred internet browser should do the trick. Once you're on the site, you'll find yourself at the gateway to understanding and managing your ad spend on TikTok. Next step, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Click on that to proceed. Now you might be thinking, well, that's pretty standard, and you'd be right. However, it's the key to unlocking your ad account's detailed analytics, and more importantly for our purpose today, your financial transactions. After clicking on Login, you're prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll type in your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any login issues that could slow you down. Following your credentials input, hit the login button once more to advance. Now here's where it gets a bit more modern. To ensure the security of your account, TikTok utilizes a CAPTCHA verification. Take a moment to complete this step and click Confirm. It's a small but crucial step to protect your account from unauthorized access. Occasionally, for an extra layer of security, TikTok will send a code to your email. So do check your inbox because you'll need to type in this code as part of the login process. This multi-factor authentication ensures that only you can access your ad account. Now, with access properly secured, navigate your way to the Tools section. This might seem a bit daunting at first, with various options available, but don't worry, you're on the right track. In the Tools menu, you'll be looking for the Payment option. This is where all your billing information, including payments and yes, receipts, are stored. Once you're in the Payment section, you'll want to find and click on the Transactions tab. This area houses a detailed record of all transactional activity associated with your account. It's a goldmine of information and precisely where you'll need to be to find your receipts. Finally, to locate your specific receipt, you'll see an option to export your transactions. This feature is especially useful for keeping an offline record, or perhaps forwarding your ad spend details to your accounting team. By exporting, you can download a comprehensive file that includes all the necessary details of your TikTok ad transactions, including those all-important receipts for your records, and there you have it. In just a few quick and simple steps, you've navigated through the TikTok ads platform to locate and export your ad receipts. This process not only helps in keeping your financials in check, but also ensures you're staying on top of your ad performance and expenditures on one of the world's leading social media platforms. Remember, regular check-ins on your ad spend are crucial for effective budget management and overall campaign performance tracking. And now, with the knowledge of how to access your TikTok ads receipts, you're better equipped to manage your digital advertising endeavors. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Here's to successful advertising on TikTok and seamless management of your ad spend.